Welcome back to the channel. Are you try of your backyard feel a trail explored main your wood fence is still in good shade but it's do not often provide do not warning your do need bring new fence with a simple provide screen upgrading you can complete transforming your look feel add comfort for your outdoor space in video we walk your drawing how to install a provide screen on a wood fence step by step use technology everyone can feel whether you want more shade more provide or just a beautiful modern touch this gas well shade everything you need for choose the right material to install its security less gas starting when add a provide screen to a wood fence before we jump into install let's take quick about when screen are such a popular upgrading a should wood fence do not brand the view to some textile but over time the wood shed gum appear and your yard become more vibrant a provide screen ad full cover those better shade idea for patio set area and pool a layout modern finish Explore high without reading the fence. Low cost compact to install a trellis fence. Some whether you get is comfort, static, both a privacycreen is one of the upgrading for your outdoor space. Choose the right fence screen material. Screen can is main style the select one depend on your budget, weather and personal style. Let's explore your best bamboo and rail fence. High weight, natural beauty and easy to install fence. A tropical or rustic look. However, not idea in explored area unless woodless fence, a classic choice, decoration, stood and style idea for fence and upgrading. You can still then to match your fence. Wood salt. This gave a modern high and look you can stream wood and full provide very during and guest for any mat fiber provide fence affordable and easy to attach best for temporary shade for railing pick the material that first your look your budget and entertainment perfect for fence before install anything make such your wood fence in red expect for during for look board rose post warm select anything clean the fence a clean surface help The screen attach says away web its need the fence less its tie or fence protective trellis and high away the fence screen while going. This help your mismatch select and upper cut. Now you ready to install. How to install the fence screen step by step. Time for the main part of the project. Those step work for most screen type with screen adjustment depend on the material. Pause your screen. Select by hold the screen up to the fence so you can see when it's well set. Use a less it's if your use fence start at the corner and work your way. Step 2. Attach a screen. Depend on a screen material. For woodless fence select. Hold the fence in place. Hold a provide screen. Depend in the fence salt. Use at lateral 3 screen. On each side add durability. For bamboo reach screen use zap type screen with wash as you are going on the remove